Well, hello everyone. It's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. I want to see if I can get this in before the air conditioning comes back on because my husband says, God, our air conditioner sounds so loud in your videos. What am I supposed to do? It's 84 and really muggy. You got to run the air conditioner. So I'll try to get this done before the air conditioner comes back on, but I don't think it'll probably happen. This is August day 7. Excuse me. Not a lot to show you because I just had a video yesterday, but so I showed you the hat, minus the fur because I'm still at the camper, don't have the fur yet, that's at home, but I made the little socks, little booties or whatever. They're just tubular, so I think put little feetses in and a little fur on the top. I made it like a little bigger for the go up her leg a little. So I think they're cute. I think they'll fit her actually because she's teeny tiny. So that is done-ish, minus the fur. If I decide to put it on, I might, do some fur and say, oh, that doesn't look good. I don't know. But I'm thinking it'll look really cute. If I do the fur, there'll be no pom-pom. If I don't do the fur, I will probably put a pom-pom. But I don't think I have a fur pom-pom that will match the fur yarn that I have. And you know what I mean? So I don't know how to make a fur pom. I don't know how to make a pom-pom out of that fur. I don't think it'll, like the fur that I have from Hobby Lobby. I don't think that would make a good pom-pom. What do you guys think? The yarn fur, does that make a good pom-pom? Because that would be cute. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments about the fur and a pom-pom. Because I would really kind of like a little pom-pom. Just a little one. So those are done-ish. And then I did start on, I'm making the bear, this one. But I'm using a darker yarn because I brought two colors. I brought the big twist in the color cream because originally I was thinking I might do the deer. She said, surprise me, the bear or the deer. This is for my youngest granddaughter. And I brought this color, also big twist in the color taupe. And they look really good together, for the deer. But when I was looking at the deer, I'm like, ooh, when you see, and this is the book, Dress Up Amigurumi. It's Make 4 Huggable Characters with 25 Outfits, and it's by this right there. It's really cute, and there are, I don't want to lose my page, but lots of really good instructions if you how to make the stitches. She even has links to tutorials on how to make the stitches if you don't know. But like, look at these cute outfits, so adorable. I thought there was a page that showed at the beginning all the outfits. Maybe it's at the back. I don't know. Anyway, more adorable outfits. So that's why Avery wanted something from this book, because you could do, the different outfits to go with the stuffed animal. And of course, I tried to talk her into the elephant, and she wanted the deer or the bear. Well, when you're making the deer, I didn't realize, but there's like a ridge where the face goes like this. And I thought that we're supposed to crochet that all at one time, and I'm like, oh, I'm not doing that. That just looks like I'll never get that even. Let me see if I can show you a better picture, a closer up picture of what I'm talking about. But anyway, it's not done that way. I thought, you're going to have to like change yarns or carry through, or and get it even on both sides. And I thought that, well, that's going to be really tedious, and I don't want to do tedious crochet for a stuffed animal. So I decided to do the bear. I've done bears before. I know I can do them because I have a couple. I'm trying to find the tutorial or the pictures. So anyway, when you do the deer, which I really cannot find the deer. When you do the deer, you make the head and then you make the dark part separate and like put it on. So, oh, here. So you do the head and then you do the cap part. So it's two separate pieces. And I thought, oh, I could do that. But I kind of think the bear is cuter. So I went with the bear. And this is how far I am. I have the legs. So you start with the feet and legs, which is one piece. Now, she has you doing the feet a different color. The very bottoms of them, I'm like, I only have two colors, and I'm not. I didn't want to do the bear the light brown. I thought that's too light to make the whole bear, even though it's probably the same color as her bear here. But then the only other color I had with me is this to do the face, you know, the muzzle here. And I didn't want the muzzle to be dark. That would look funny. So that left me with one option, a dark brown bear and a light brown face. And I didn't have a darker color brown to put on the bottom of the feet because she wanted you to change color. So my bottom of the feet are dark brown, and so you make the feet bottom, and then she has you cut cardboard or plastic to keep them flat. And so you put a little piece of plastic or cardboard in there, and then you make two, and then the next step is to connect them with a little connecting piece of yarn, fabric that you're going to make, and then you work the body right onto these. So that's going to be interesting. I've never done anything like that before, so that's going to be interesting for me, and I'm kind of looking forward to doing it. So I hope it doesn't take me too long. I hope I don't have to rip it out too many times. So keep your fingers crossed for me for that. And I connected the two. She told you to put a stitch marker in, you know, each place specifically. And then I put the two stitch markers together for putting it up for the night, so I would know which was which side. Wouldn't get myself confused. So next is the body. Now you can make these bears or these animals. You can make them where here, I'll show you this side, with a t-shirt as part of the body. They even show you with a striped shirt as part of the body, or you can make them where they're naked in all one color. This is what I'm doing because I will make the outfits for them. Like this bear and its shirt is all one piece. But if she wants to put different clothes on, I want her to be able to do that. So I really love, look at this outfit. So many cute outfits in here. So anyway, I'm going to make the bear naked, and then I will crochet somewhere in here. There's got to be like just a shirt, and I'm going to crochet the shirt pattern so that she can take it on and off. And I will crochet, you know, throughout time, several of the patterns to go with it. But I wanted her to have the ability to not have a shirt on it, like the baby that has, or this one with the baby, like, you know, the summer tank top, or, you know, so they didn't have a shirt on underneath. Without, oh yeah, see, here's a shirt. This shirt I think is not part of the body on this Christmas or winter outfit, so I'll probably do that shirt pattern, and then you know, she can have a shirt that's removable. Well, maybe it is part of the body. Well, I'm sure we can figure something out. We'll just do the body part or something. I don't know. Because I think the author wants you to make, you know, each one, make several. If you want to do a pattern that requires a shirt underneath like this, then you have to remake the bear. I don't want to do that. So that's it. That's what I got for you today, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vlogust day 7 in a row. Oh, that's 7, 6, 7, yeah. Day 7 in the books. We'll see how far I get on this, and get the fur on maybe today, on the hats, and put, you know, things for tomorrow's video. Cross your fingers. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.